Hello and welcome to another video in our series on VAT for Amazon sellers. In this video, we are discussing filing a VAT return in the United Arab Emirates using the Emaratax tax portal. Before we proceed further, I must issue a disclaimer to state I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research into requirements specific to the nature of business you conduct before filing taxes for your business. Without further delay, let's begin. On screen here, we are in the homepage of the Emaratax portal for our company. We'll click View to proceed. On the next page, we see various details relating to services we have available to us. We can see details of our VAT registration and make amendments here. In order to file VAT, we need to click VAT from the menu on the left side of the screen. Here we see various types of forms related to VAT. For our purpose today, we are going to select the option My Filings. On the center of this page, we see details of historic VAT filings, as well as the tax period which we want to make a filing for today. We are going to select the option File under the period we are interested in. On the page that follows, we see information relating to what we can expect in the pages ahead, including estimated time to complete, along with guidance notes on completing your filing. Here at the bottom, we're required to check this box to declare we have read and agree with the above in order to proceed. Here we are at the beginning of the VAT filing itself, and we can see that we need to enter the VAT net revenue as well as the VAT liability for each emirate. We are going to be using the data from our VAT return draft that we prepared in our Pan-Euro VAT account to do this. Here is the draft VAT return in Excel format, and you can see it is laid out in a similar fashion to the VAT return itself. We have each emirate with the VAT net revenue in green and the VAT liability in red. Below those in line 8, we have the sum total of revenue and VAT liability, and below that you can see the standard rated expenses we have incurred during the course of carrying out our business with the VAT we will be reclaiming. So we are going to literally copy the values from the VAT draft and paste them into their corresponding box in the VAT form within the tax portal. VAT on goods imported where VAT is recoverable will be in line 6 and will be populated automatically based on the value that customs have assessed your imports for. If you do have a value in box 6 to reclaim, it will alter the final balance in box 14 of your draft return. To eliminate any confusion, simply go to your draft VAT return and enter the VAT net figure in box 6 as a negative value. This will make the final balance in box 14 of your draft return match that in your tax portal once all other entries have been made. Here in line 9, we are entering the values of services we used and incurred VAT on in the course of business during the period. We can see box 12 is the VAT liability, box 13 is the total VAT incurred that we are reclaiming, and box 14 is the sum of box 12 minus box 13 and is the balance we need to make payment on. At the bottom of the page, for the purpose of this filing, we are going to check No against the question regarding the profit margin scheme. Okay, and here we have an error message, and it is because every box requires a value to be entered. So we'll be entering 0 in the boxes we previously left empty and then try again. This time the system has accepted it and allows us to move forward. Here we have a summary of our entries for us to double check we are happy with what we have entered. Once you are satisfied with the entries you have made, check the box against the declaration that your submission is truthful and click the submit button to go ahead and file the return. In the screen that follows, we can see that the application has been submitted successfully and we have a filing reference number. Do go ahead and save a copy of this for your own records. Now we are going to move on to making the payment. I have elected here to make the payment using a debit card. One thing to note here is that you will need a UAE based card in order to make the payment. Once you have made the payment successfully, you can download the payment receipt and save it for your records. Back in our dashboard now, we will navigate to where we can download a copy of the filed VAT return itself. So we're going to click View under Company Data, then VAT from the menu on the left-hand side. Here we have the list of all VAT returns we have previously filed. Click the three dots against the period you are targeting and then elect to download and save the file to your designated location. This has been how to file a UAE VAT return using the Emaratax tax portal. I hope you've got value from this video, and if you have, please do leave us a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Any questions you have, please leave them in the comments. We do respond to everyone. And if you need assistance preparing your UAE VAT return as an Amazon seller, please check out paneurovat.com. The link is in the description. There is also a free trial of our software for all new users. Thank you and see you in the next one.